Hey everyone, and welcome back to another easy Excel tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to freeze a row or column in your worksheet to prevent it from scrolling. And we do this using freeze panes. So just very quickly here, I'll show you how to freeze the first row of your worksheet. Just in green here, we can see that when we scroll, the row with our column titles scrolls with us. But what if we want the row with our titles to be visible at all times? All we have to do is go over to the View tab in our ribbon here, and we're going to go to Freeze Panes and click Freeze Top Row. So now as we scroll, we can see that the first row stays frozen, hence the word Freeze Panes. So another thing you could do is you could freeze the first column of your worksheet. So to give you another example, when I scroll, you can see that column A scrolls with me, but what if I wanted column A to stay frozen? Similarly, all we have to do is go to the View tab in the ribbon, freeze panes, and then freeze the first column. Now when we scroll, column A stays fixed. So the third way I'm going to show you is sort of a custom freeze panes. What if you don't want to freeze just the first row or the first column, but you want to freeze the first few columns and the first row? So for example, let's say we wanted to freeze columns A, B, and C. Just put those in green to illustrate the example. And we want to freeze the first row. So how can we do this? Well, first of all, let's unfreeze everything that we did previously by just going to the ribbon, freeze panes, and then unfreeze panes. And so again, I want A, B, and C, and row 1 to stay frozen whenever I'm scrolling. So all you have to do is click the cell where the two intersect. So in this case, it's cell D2. And we're just going to go to freeze panes and click freeze panes again. And now we can see that when we scroll down or we scroll across, those cells, rows, and columns in green stay frozen. Let's do another example. Unfreeze panes. We'll freeze the second row as well. And here's where they intersect. I'll go back to the View tab in the ribbon, freeze panes, and then that stays frozen, the first two rows and the first three columns. So those are a few ways to do freeze panes in Excel, as well as a custom way to do freeze panes. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment below as well if you'd like to make a special request for my next video, and I'll be back soon with another easy Excel tutorial.